Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we have a full body workout for you. Maybe you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to squeeze in some exercising for your day, then this is going to be the workout for you. All you need is a flat surface, some water, you and I, and we're going to have some fun, so let's get started. All right, so this is gonna be quick, this is gonna be fun, this is gonna be simple, so make sure you pay attention. We're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, and then we'll do 2 more sets following that. Less talking on my part, more doing on yours. It's gonna be fun, so let's get to it with our first exercise. Alrighty, here we go. 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna start off with some knee hugs. Here we go. Start with your hands up to your side, bring your knee up, and as we do, we are just trying to hug our knee. So really drive that knee as straight up as we can. And really I like to just like tap it with my fingers. You can actually grab it if you'd like, but this right here is good. And this also helps stretch our chest out as well. Make sure you're standing upright. Try to see how high you can get that knee for these hugs. Just like that. Couple more seconds. This is a good full body exercise just because it involves everything, your core, your legs, your arms, all of it. Couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right into our second exercise, we have alternating lateral lunges. You're gonna wanna stand, feet past shoulder width apart. Now, depending on what your variation of lunge works for you, sometimes people like their feet pointed out, some people like them pointed in like this. We're just gonna be alternating, sitting back into a lunge on each side. So 30 seconds, here we go. So just sink back to one side, get right back up, sink over to the other. Really stretch, take your time with these. You don't wanna like just jump into them and pull anything, so really focus on the stretch. Get right back up. If you need to hold on to something, go ahead and do that. No problem with that. Sometimes people find that they need to turn out one of the foots when they're leaning to the opposite side. No problemo. Go ahead and do that as well. Let's do one more each side. Here we go. Great. Now we're gonna get into our third exercise, chest and back squeezes. 30 seconds, stand up tall, shake those shoulders out, and here we go. So really stretch, arms, stretch your fingertips as wide as you can, and then bring those hands together. When you bring them together, this will be feeling that squeeze in our chest, and then when we are opening up our arms, you should feel it as if you have a walnut in your back that you're trying to crush between your shoulder blades, just like that. So you can go as fast or as slow as you need. Really focus on the pulsing, but when you bring it in, the focus is here on the chest, and when you bring them back, focus is on the back. Literally. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake those arms out. Moving right along into our last exercise. We have inside foot taps. Here we go. 30 seconds, stand up tall, and let's go. So we're just gonna focus on bringing our foot up to our hand so we can tap it. Instead of like a high knee or anything like that, we're just bringing the knee up. The goal is see how high we can get our inside of our foot up to us. This is a good one because it is strengthening the hips. It's also a core exercise, especially if you tighten right here. We're just focusing on tapping and seeing how high we can get a leg. It's almost like hacky sack. If you ever used to play that. There you go. Couple more seconds. Really try to stand tall. Flat back. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake off your legs. Shake off your arms. That was your first set done. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick one, but it's gonna be fun. Are breathing heavy, maybe you need water like I do. We're gonna get started with set number 2 in just a second. You know exactly what to do. Less talking my part, more doing on yours. Here we go, we're gonna start with set number 2. Starting off with those knee hugs. 3, 2, 1. great job. That was your second set done. Grab some water if you need some. All right, we're gonna flow right into it. We're gonna repeat what we just did. So here we go. Final stretch, starting set number 3, 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. That was your full body workout. Hope you feel energized, exercised, feel like you burned some fat, had a good time, because I know I did. And if you like this, go ahead and just click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. We love to hear from you, so please comment below. Let us know what you think, what you want, what you don't like, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next one. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.